COVID was rough, and I think everybody pretty much agrees. But the pandemic revealed a lot to society, whether we wanted it to or not. If anything, the pandemic taught me to find more alternative avenues and to be even more resourceful than I already was to create the artwork. But I think it was also an important time for artists to continue to make work, even when we didn't know how we would do it. Reason being is because when do we get that much time to sit and think about our work or restructure or regroup and say, hey, I want to go in a different direction, or let me pick up this material because I've never used it and it's the only thing I have access to. So for me, it was a chance to play, but also I needed to rest. I still needed to grieve, but I still know that I needed to create something. And so I had to do it. And maybe I didn't create as much work that year, but it was still a time for exploration and experimentation that I might not have gotten that much in depth, because I would have been so much in a comfort zone of being able to fire the ceramics in a space where there's kilns, or find a metal shop that was open or something like that. So it was a big turn of events, but I think coming full circle, it was worth the time spent to regroup. As far as all the social and political accolades, it was very taxing and very exhausting. The Black Uprising was very taxing and very exhausting. It was just a lot. And for me, I had to sit, and of course I talked with friends and colleagues and family about everything that was going on. And we all said, well, this is nothing new, but I guess it's coming to a head now, and the veil is being dropped. And then the questions came up about, well, how do we move forward with making this work? And for me, intention was always important, but it was even more so important now because, one, visibility, two, representation, and how we navigated space from then on out and even moving forward. So it's the intention for me. It's the moving forward. It's the constantly representing Blackness and visibility of Black people within my work. It's about being able to walk into a space. I have my family walk into a space. I have someone out of the Black community I never even met walk into a space and feel represented or feel visible or feel safe. Intention. This experience has also made me more aware of the type of work I make, and is pushing me to bring up harder conversations that should be addressed more in the Black community. So moving forward, all I can do is to keep making, to forever continue to put intention into my work. And again, when dealing with Black bodies or any racial or ethnic issues, it has to be intentional because messages can easily get lost or misinterpreted, and that is what I don't want to happen.